Here's a truth most people won't tell you. By 2026, the gap between winners and losers will be massive. And it won't just be about luck or talent. It will come down to one thing: who adapts and who stays stuck. If you want to be in the top 1% and not left behind, there are 3 things you must master: AI, discipline, and leverage. Let's break it down. First, AI. AI isn't coming, it's already here. Most people are still afraid of it, scrolling past headlines, thinking it's too complicated. But the people who learn how to use AI tools today are moving 10 times faster than everyone else. AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use it will. Second, discipline. Everyone talks about motivation, but here's the secret: motivation is fragile. Discipline is unbreakable. The top 1% don't wait to feel ready. They lock in, do the work, and repeat, even on bad days. While most people hit snooze, disciplined people hit their goals. Third, leverage. Working 100 hours a week is not the answer. Building systems is. The wealthiest people in the next 5 years will not be the ones working harder, but the ones working smarter, creating businesses, digital products, or investments that make money even when they sleep. Here's the bottom line. The average person will waste the next year scrolling, waiting for motivation, and hoping things change. But the winners? They'll master AI, build systems, and develop unshakable discipline. If you want to get ahead of 99% of people before 2026, stop waiting for the right time. The right time is now. Subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you step by step how to build your first system that runs without you. That's how real freedom starts.